Being wealthy is my inherent right, and I claim it now. I always feel wealthy. I allow myself to prosper. I am so happy to be wealthy. I have abundance in my life, and I am free to do whatever I wish. Wealth constantly flows into my life. I deserve to be wealthy. I always have enough money to fulfill my needs. My wealth derives from honesty in everything I do. I am growing richer and richer. I am easily led to the abundance I desire. I possess great wealth. I enjoy multiple streams of passive income. Financial security is constant in my life. My good now flows to me in streams of success, happiness, and abundance. Every day, in every way, I am becoming more and more prosperous. My wealth brings out the best in me. I make positive choices about what to do with my abundance. It is great to have money. I always get everything for my greatest good. I am confident that I am able to build a financial future. I constantly attract opportunities that create more money. I am willing to be more abundant now. It is so easy to open to prosperity. It is easy for me to create wealth. I am a powerful money magnet. I can see abundance everywhere around me. I am surrounded by prosperity. I am wide awake to my good. I draw the highest, best, and most prosperous-minded people to me. Wealth is a positive expression of divine energy. Money always flows to me easily. I deserve unlimited abundance. Inspiration comes to me easily. All My actions are profitable. I value my money. My grateful heart draws abundance like a magnet. Prosperity within me, prosperity around me.
So here's the thing. People pay me upwards of $50,000, $55,000 to coach them. And I want to do this for you for free.
My bank balance is increasing every day. I deserve great sums of money and use it to help myself and others. I am always supplied with whatever I need. I
Good morning, madam.
Yeah, yes. Good morning, everyone. So everyone has come today, no? Yeah. Some are missing. Dr. Meenal is not there today. Okay. Okay, we'll start. Yes. So I asked, how are you feeling today? So you just write whatever feeling you have. Fantastic, amazing, awesome, brilliant. So start using such words. Whenever everybody asks you, how are you? Okay, great, SNE, some different word you have to talk. Yes, terrific. On the top of the world. Whatever you feel like. So we'll start with this, and today's affirmations Mishraji will read. And as decided, we are going to give 2-3 days to complete your homework. So today, after the affirmations, I will just repeat. You just check yourself what is missing from your side and make a note in your diary. So within next 3 days, it is there in front of you what you need to do, rather than thinking, oh, what did I miss? So I'll just go through the homework and just you note it down what is missing from your side. What I got feedback is everybody is able to listen to the frequency, because it does not require special time while working, only you can do. Even everybody is seeing the visual images before we start the class. Even if you are missing out in the day, you are able to start that 21-day affirmations audio just before sleeping. Only I got feedback at people are not able to read the book. First of all, remove from your mind that you have to read the whole book. Just open the book. Even if you see the colors, the page cover of the book, or even if you see some images in the book, that will also make a sense. And I have given only the typical 1 or 2 pages only to read, the chunk of the book. And then mainly the book is the last priority. Mainly thing is every day I'm giving you some homework of 5 money mistakes, 5 money blocks, 5 money emotions. That is more important, because after you do that homework, we are going to have a discussion, because then many queries will come up, and nothing is wrong and right. Nothing is good and bad. Everybody will have a different experience. So don't go into perfection. Oh, I have to be very perfect in writing. Whatever comes to your mind, you just write there. So that we will make out. So we'll start first with our frequency, then affirmations. So let's start with prosperity prayer. Yes, Mishra.
Mm.
Oh, sorry.
I thank the universe for the wonderful gift of life, which I value and cherish.
Cherish.
I have a deep gratitude and respect for the money that life has offered me. Prosperity is my birthright, and I will claim it with heart and mind. Deep down, I'm aware that I'm born to be rich. I love money and open to receive all abundance and prosperity. Everything that I desire knows effortlessly towards me. I love my work and business, which I offer a wonderful service. Every day is an opportunity to meet people and spread joy. I looked at each day with hopes and know that it would be a great day. Daily, I create miracles for myself and also for others. I attract in plenty and spend joyfully and have used savings. I am guided to make choices that are beneficial for me. I rejoice in others' success, knowing that there is a plenty for all of us. I attract wonderful people and excellent opportunity. My good comes from everywhere and everyone. I am fully contented and all is happy in my world. In this beautiful universe where I live in, everything is whole, complete, and perfect.
Got blocked. Yes.
I earn massive passive income. I earn more than enough passive income to pay for my desired lifestyle. I set up vehicles and systems to work instead of me. I get paid based on the value I provide without my labor. I love making money while I sleep, play, or am on vacation. The less I work, the more I earn. Excellent passive income opportunity always come my way. I appreciate all the free time and money I have. I'm financially free. I work because I have to. I never have to work again. I create my life. I create the exact amount of my financial success. I play the money game to win. My intention is to create wealth and abundance and success. I admire and model rich and successful people. I believe money is important, money is freedom and makes life more enjoyable. I get rich doing what I love. I deserve to be rich because I add value to other people's lives. I'm a generous giver and an excellent receiver. I'm truly grateful for all the money I have now. Lucrative opportunities always come my way. My capacity to earn, hold, and grow money expands day by day. I am an excellent money manager. I always pay myself first. I put into money into my TWCGO accounts every week. My money works hard for me and makes me more and more money. I earn enough passive income to pay for my desired lifestyle. I am financially free. I work because I choose to, not because I have to. My part-time business is managing and investing my money and creating passive income streams.
Yes. Secrets of the Millionaire Mind.
My inner world creates my outer world. I observe my thoughts and entertain only those that empowers me. I release my non-supportive money experiences from the past and create a new and rich future. I create the exact level of my financial success. My goal is to become a billionaire and more. I think big, I choose to help thousands and thousands of people. I promote my value to others with passion and enthusiasm. I am an excellent receiver. I am open and willing to receive massive amounts of money into my life. I am committed to constantly learn and grow. I am wealthy and money comes to me easily. Money is attracted to me in all what I do. The amount that always shows up in my life is always used in an inspirational way. It is so easy for me to attract wealth and prosperity. I do not even have to think about it. The true wealth that I easily attain allows me to express the best within my soul. I enjoy the amount of money and prosperity that is constantly attracted into my life. When I think about how easily money comes into my life, I am comforted. Money is amazing because it allows me to be who I really want to be. Wealth is always simple to attain in my life, and I have plenty of time for other endeavors. I am quite simply a money magnet. Riches are constantly on their way to me. I can afford to be, do, or have anything that allows me to express the greatest version of myself. I'm always wealthy and secure when it comes to money. My bank account is flooded with money. It is simple for me to keep an overflowing bank account that allows me to do what my soul desires. Though wealth, my spirit expresses the best version of itself. I have always found it simple to attract whatever money that I need into my life. I am a force that money is attracted to. I am grateful for the money that constantly is showing up within my life. I attract wealth and prosperity on a daily basis. My mind is wired for attracting wealth. Financial security is always within my life. My income extends that amount of joy that I can experience within my life. I'm so happy that I'm constantly attracting money to myself. Money shows up through both expected and unexpected methods. I consistently welcome wealth into my life. My brain is a magnet for prosperity in all that I do. I'm a receiving money. I love actively and passively making money. Money is coming to me with a little or no effort. I enjoy working and being paid well. Unexpected money is coming to me. Manifesting more money comes naturally. I am a powerful charged money magnet. I am feeling open to receiving abundance. I see the infinite supply of energy. I am taking financially rewarding opportunities. I choose to enjoy accepting payment. I live each day appreciating value. I'm excited to be making money. I notice new possible income sources. I have everything I need, including money. The universe is considering to make me wealthy. I see myself living a life of financial security. My positive attitude is attracting money. Affirmation are motivating me to become rich. I live confidently knowing I am worthy of prosperity. Thank you for the new day. I am filled with happiness and gratitude. I'm grateful for another chance to live my life. I'm grateful to feel the air in my lungs and the, the beating of my heart. I'm thankful simply for being alive. Thankfulness, appreciation, and sincere gratitude are part who I am. I'm grateful for who I am and for what I have. I invite gratitude into my heart. Today, I will have an attitude of gratitude. Thank you for the blessings this day will bring. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you. Yes, thank you, thank you. And then you feel more powerful when you read again and again.
Yes. Thank you.
So everybody is lacking behind the homework and repeat now. So everybody comes now. Today everyone has come. Before we shift to the meditation, so I told today we'll have 30 minutes of meditation. So I'll just quickly go through the homework. So those who have missed out, please make a note. And especially if Dr. Meenal is there, you make a note. So now everybody is having this. I hope everybody is having access to second week frequency. Yes, because yesterday Akesh got confused that he could not able to locate that in the messages. So it is known that natural story. It is written 2 point natural story. So still, if you are, please come forward and ask. And nothing is wrong that if you are not able to do the homework. Now I have given you 3 days to complete the homework. So everybody, you just write down. If you have not prepared your financial goal cards of per month, you please make a goal card. See, every day's homework is I'm repeating again just to make a more clarity. So money books are there. Money books is the last priority. You listen to the frequency of week while working. This video, there are 2 videos, 21 days affirmations. You can just on it before sleep and listen. Don't worry, even if you listen for 1 minute and go to sleep, it plays on your subconscious mind. And if you come little early, you will be able to save time before 7 because I start the visual images. Then again, these visual images will make a difference, different way. Like Akesh is fond of cars. Maybe JP Mishra is not fond of cars. Yeah, it is not like that. So all the images are there. It is just to elevate your monetization. There is so much to when that money is there in the different forms of money with the heart, money is flowing. So it gives a different images and different emotions. That is important. It is not like that all the cars you see that you are going to have. It is a different thing for different person. So don't go into that. Just see images, feel the emotions behind it. Sometimes you like the things. Oh, I like that garden. Okay, I will do it in my place. You will pick up old things every time. So now just see the first day homework. If you are not your 5 money mistakes, you identified yourself 5 money mistakes. So you write it down, 5 money mistakes. And within this next 3 days, you take out the time for 30 minutes. It will not take more than 30 minutes if it is written in front of you. And don't go into perfection again. Oh, it has to be correct. Just write it down what it comes. And if you are lazy, just start. If you know on a mobile how to do transcription. If anybody is tech savvy, while typing, you can see one button, recorder is there. So while you talk, it will get transcribed into the script. Maybe I will send you the video, like while recording. I don't messages. I just talk, so that message is getting recorded and then it is been sent. So it is a smart way of doing it. So you can just write it down that way. And 10 words of financial freedom means when there is no problem for money, no problem for time, nobody will tell you what to do and what not to do. What comes to your mind, so keep on doing. If you have not done this, now 8 days, 80 words you have to write. Or maybe some things will come again and again. That is not a problem. And you have noted down the books, no? Otherwise you can write. The Science of Getting Rich, page number 111. Day 2 is there. You have to write 5 money blocks. 5 money blocks, which you identified. Okay, money is very hard. Money comes to me easily. Whatever you feel, you write. And the book is Strangest Secret by Earth Nightingale. Then is 5 negative habits you have identified yourself. 5 negative habits you have realized after we have gone through the class. 5 negative habits. The rest homework is okay. Even if you don't go through the manual, you can go through later. But complete this 5 and 10. 5 and 10. And at least book.
Strangest Secret, page number?
Which one?
Strangest Secret by
It is not a
Nightingale.
page number. It is actually the video. When you go through the messages, na ulta jao aap messages mein.
अच्छा, ठीक है.
Then you will know every day's homework is posted there. Otherwise, if you are not able to see that 30 minutes video, I have given the link to the notes where same thing is there. What I have done is while that video has been transcribed into the script, where only I have not done it. It has been automatically made a script, and that I have given in the form of tips. Then book is Think and Grow Rich. And I want all of you to do this homework of money blueprint, no? So you will able to see how much money you have, how much liabilities you have. And then you write about your money hero or money heroine. Maybe you must have seen in childhood, no? The richest person, what you thought of. So just write, what did you observe in him or in her? Not now, in the childhood, because all your blueprint is coming from the childhood. So you must be having that your favorite maternal uncle or favorite uncle or whoever, dad's friend, mom's friend used to come, and you have imprinted something. Oh, that was a very money hero or money heroine for you of your childhood. So you can write that. And you are born to be rich, page 35. And this is the most important is 5 things you can do without fear. 5 things you can do without fear with confidence and you get compliments for. This is very important homework because I'm going to have a question and answer, and out of that only you are going to generate some ideas.
Ma'am, this one, the 5 things you can do without fear, it is only related to money or it could be related to anything?
No, anything. Maybe you can, whatever you like to do, maybe like reading books or cleaning the house or whatever.
Yeah, so
arranging an event.
Yeah.
You feel, people you have got compliments for, not related. Yeah, any event, any situation, any merit, anything. That's what I told. कि you are confident of doing those things without any fear. मुझे इसका डर ही नहीं लगता ये करने में. Or you get compliments for your merits, no?
Yeah, so I did with this assignment with my family, and I have received 7 compliments for this. That you are really good at. और काफी सारे लोगों ने उसमें वोट किया था.
Okay, so I will take a question and answers later. Yeah. While writing those 10 words, now you can write the feelings. Like what feelings you want after those freedom, money experiences. Maybe you are looking for the bigger house. So what feelings you will have after you possess that? Or maybe getting free from the loans. What feelings you will have? So write those feelings and experiences. Oh, if I get debt free, I want to go for a long vacation with my family. Or I want to reward my son or daughter. Keep on writing this. And the book is Happy Money by Ken Honda, where he has explained 5 steps to happy money, and especially arigato technique. Then day 6 is, the book is Attract Money by Joe Vitale book. And in that, the last 29 ways he has given to attract money. So just go through that. And this is there. Money safety, money security, money enough, not enough, and no money. So maybe you can write in 1 or 2 sentences. What is money safety according to you, for you? It may be different for everyone. And it is very, very important. It will help you to change your blueprint. And what is money security according to you? What is enough money for you? What is not enough money for you? And what is no money for you? So no money is means my bank accounts are zero, whatever is there. But even you write what feelings you will have when there is no money with you. Write it down. Yeah. And even if I have given one more thing is there, money games also, money games according to you. You must have seen some money games, no? Like money lottery, money laundering system, investment schemes, then gambling, and making some illegal ways of making money. So whatever you have seen in your life, you may not have seen, may not have heard. You write, I don't know. So I'm just giving you things, and it also will make sense when we'll have a discussion. So money lottery, money gambling, risky investment, that is called money laundering, if you have heard about it, and illegal ways of making money. If you know, if you have seen, if you have heard, just write it down. So we'll do a currency exercise. No, we'll straight away go to the currency exercise. You can do it yourself today. We'll straight away go to the meditation today, because as I told, I'm giving you 3 days off for homework. So from tomorrow, I will not be announcing or repeating this homework now. This is the last time I'm repeating 8 days homework, and we'll experience more of frequency and more of the meditations. So I want you to see this image now, which I'm, see this image now. You can see this image. Now we are doing a meditation 3-in-1, 3-in-1 meditation. First, I will take you to the frequency where I'm removing your all negative money emotions. And you just see these images. You are standing on the top of the mountain, and the universe, the clouds, sky is very close to you. So you see this image. So you are getting connected to the universe, and I'm going to repeat the universal laws, which you will make aware and which will remove all the myths from your mind. And third is, we are going to learn that how you are going to recover the stuck money, your friendly loans, and even attracting the unexpected money, which you don't know. Okay, so everyone ready?
Yes.
Yes, close your eyes. So you can off the video if you want. Just take a deep breath inside, hold it and exhale. Again, take a deep breath inside and exhale. Once more, take a deep breath and exhale. Just see the frequency of your breath and the warmth of breath, whether it is cool or whether it is warm, hot air or cold air. Can you feel or you cannot feel? It is a short breath or it is a long breath. Just focus on your breath. अपनी सांस की तरफ पूरी तरह से ध्यान देना. And listen to this music very carefully. Now you are getting connected to the universe, and requesting universe that please remove all my negative emotions regarding money. As you hear this sound, you are imagining that small childhood meditation which we have taken and just releasing all those negative emotions in the universe. The fear about money, the insults about money, is going towards the universe. It is going away from you. You are not holding it back. You are just taking out of your body along with your breath all those money fears, all doubts about money, all the insults about money, all the humiliation you have experienced about money, all the humiliations your family has experienced, all those arguments you must have seen or experienced, the scarcity of the money, or maybe over money, and because of over money, the arguments and fights, not having a family time, all those negative emotions regarding money are going back to the universe and they are getting dissolved. And you are feeling lighter, you are feeling lighter and lighter. As you feel lighter, 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 lot of positive emotions coming inside you. You are experiencing the happiness. You are experiencing freedom. Now you are getting connected to the universe. So when you are getting connected to your loved ones, you know them better. So now you are going to know the universe better. You are seeing the bank of the universe, and there is no shortage in the sky, that is universe. It is only a shortage of your mind. Trust the universe. If you don't worry, then our breathing will stop and heartbeat will stop. But when we are connected, we are surrendered, having belief and trust in the universe where it has been created, the money will start coming to us as we develop more and more positive emotions and removing those negative emotions. The universe does not understand the duality, good and bad, right and wrong. It is all man-made. Universe also has no bias, whether you are from which religion, which caste, which skin. There is no partiality. The universe does not understand the calculations also. For universe, everything is energy. Now, since you have realized universe understand only the energy, it does not see my racial background, financial background, any background, any religion. So why people have certain amount of money or why other people have more amount of money? Does it depend on education? Does it depend on the race? Does it depend on anything? No, it depends on the energy. And as you have more energy, more positive emotions, you will develop those income generating skills. The universe will conspire to give you those skills, those opportunities and that management skills. It always pay back and sometimes more than you think. Have you experienced sometimes that you have not worked so much but still universe has gifted you? You can create lot of more credits by doing some work free of charge, giving more time or giving money. Universe always pay back and sometimes more than you think because it has lot of debts to be paid to you. They are called credits. Your faith in the universe can be increased only when you attract some small things in the beginning and you will develop more trust. So as I told yesterday, Today also you can wish for one smallest desire to complete within next 30, 60 or 90 days. Let it be small. Universe does not understand the time and space. Things will manifest in your time. So imagine that small wish or any materialistic possession you want to have, a very small one, or maybe little increase of income, whatever comes to your mind, the wish you want to complete in next 30, 60 or 90 days. Maybe the reduction of your debt, maybe the increase of the income, maybe the increase of knowledge, getting more time, spending more time with the family, whatever wish is there. It does not has to be a very money oriented or materialistic possession. Whatever wish you want to manifest, bring into the reality which is you are just wishing, but it is not happening. It's there on your agenda, but it is not happening. Just imagine the wish you want to be completed in the next 30, 60, 90 days. It has been completed right now. The universe has granted the wish. Amin Tathastu. And you are thanking the universe. Thank you for completing my wish. And imagine the happiness, gratitude, the positive feeling you will experience when you will get the thing you desire for. What relief you will get. What positive emotions will come to you. The happiness is different for different person. The joy. What positive, the comfort, the security, what positive emotions will come to you. Experience that positive emotion and thank you, universe, for completing your wish. Universe is saying, your wish is my command. Your wish is my command. Universe does not understand where you come from. It does not understand the calculation, does not understand the time and space. It is only in our mind, and you are getting connected to the universe. You are on the top of the mountain. You can see the clouds. You are surrendering the higher power who has created this world, and you are part of that. Now we are going to the next. How to recover your stuck money. First of all, it has happened in your past. You have given friendly loan to somebody. You have spent somebody's expenses on your credit card. So that credit card debt is on you. Maybe you have paid some amount in advance to someone for booking of something, the product or service, and you have not received that experience, whatever it may be. Maybe your ancestral property is stuck. It has happened in the past. Now what we can do to recover that money? Listen carefully now. You have to change the name that my money is stuck. He is not giving me money. It has to say that it is a freed money. F-R-E-E-D. Freed money and my money. Don't say stuck money. He is not giving me money. It is my money is with him. Or it is freed money with him. My money is with that person, or it is a freed money with that person. If you say my money is stuck, the universe will do all the things to make your words true that that money is stuck. A very big revelation or very big realization for all of us. Even when I did this exercise, it was a big, flashy eureka moment for me that I always used to see my money is stuck. It is stuck. He is not giving me. When he will give? When you say like this, the universe will give all those situations only. So it is your money is with that person. It is your freed money is with that person. So you visualize that your money, some part of the money is with that person. So imagine that that amount is with that person. Now, whatever has happened at that time when you gave money, everything was whole, complete, and perfect. When you did that transaction, it was a whole, complete, and perfect. Even though your ancestral property, you were not part of it. Your ancestors were part of it. It was whole, complete, and perfect. Now see the flashback of the incident when you did this money transaction. See the flashback of that incident when you have given money to that person for whatever reason, for his own expenses, the other person's expenses as a friendly loan, maybe booking of something, for booking any flat, booking of some house, booking of any gadget, booking of any service, whatever it may be. Just see the flashback of that incident. See the person in front of you and accept and see you have done the transaction. Some part of your money you handed over to him by means of cash, check, credit card. Maybe you did some agreement in between. Just see that incident. And forgive the person. It's very difficult, but just forgive the person with the understanding that it is not your fault. It was my words. We are saying it is stuck. It is not your fault. It is my words. We are getting stuck money. That's why universe was giving this situation. So I thank you for the transaction, and I pray that you are surrounded with lot of money, a very good intention of giving money. So see that person, see a white light on that person coming from the universe, and universe is giving him money and positive emotions of giving back money to you. Imagine the white light, bright light coming on that person and forgiving that person. It is not your fault. I am praying for you that universe is giving you lot of money. Imagine that person is getting lot of money. Money is flowing on his head. He's flooded with money, and with good emotions of money, he realizes that he has to give back money. So imagine that person with lot of money and giving back your money. Now take a small paper, imaginary paper and pen. Write down this incidents on a sheet of paper. Write down the incidents on the sheet of paper. I have given my money to this person for whatever reason you have given for, in the form of cash, check, credit card, friendly loan, or booking of product or service. And with the understanding and full surrender, belief and trust in the universe, you are burning that paper. You have written down on a paper the full incidents. I have given so much of money to this person for the reason of this and you are burning that paper and just throwing that paper in the universe. And you are praying, universe, I will also pay back to the people to whom I have to pay. Thank you, universe, for giving me so much money, so I also pay back all my commitments, and I pray that the other person gets flooded with money and with lot of good emotions of the money, the bright light coming on that person, and he is coming out with lot of good emotions and giving back your money. And when this money comes to me, when my money, my freed money comes to me, I will give 10% of the money as a charity. When my freed money, my money comes back to me, which is not there right now with me, it is parked with the other person. My money, my freed money is parked with the other person. When it comes back to me in your time and space, I fully trust you. I fully believe in the higher power. My intentions are good. It is my money. It's parked with him for certain time. Everything is whole, complete and perfect. I totally have a surrender, belief and trust in you. With that bright light, the person is getting flooded with money, with the positive emotions of money giving back to you. Visualize he is giving back to you. You are also fulfilling your commitments to pay back if you have any. And whenever your money, your freed money comes back to you, you are committing to the universe. I am giving 10% of the money as a charity to the needy who wants food, who wants clothes, who wants shelter. 10% of the money. If you imagine if your 10,000 comes back to you, you are paying 1,000. You will go out, you will feed somebody on the street, or you will give some new clothes to someone. You are imagining your money is parked there, it is coming back to you, and you are doing 10% of the charity. From right hand, you are taking money, and from your left hand, you are giving the charity. So from your right hand, the money is flowing to you. Your freed money is coming to you, and on left hand you are giving charity, and you are not telling anyone that you have done charity. When you receive your amount of money with the right hand, 10% will go to the charity, and you will not tell anyone that you have done charity. Just experience that you are giving food, clothes to someone on the street, and see the happiness on those people, and they are blessing you because you have given them food, who are beggars on the street, and they are blessing you. And imagine that the feeling of greatness, gratitude, that you are the medium to bring happiness on the face. Imagine the greatness and the happiness feelings when you are feeding that person who is hungry. The happiness on his face, and he's blessing you. Thank you. You have given me the food. So you are thanking universe that you are becoming a channel to bring a happiness on someone's face. Thank you universe in advance for recovery of your freed money. Thank you universe. Thank you universe. Thank you universe. Thank you universe. Thank you universe for recovering my freed money. Thank you universe for recovering my freed money. Thank you universe for recovering my freed money. Thank you universe, I am able to do 10% of the charity. Thank you universe, I am able to do 10% of the charity of my freed money. Thank you, universe. I'm able to do 10% of the charity of my freed money. Just be in that state. Just be in that state and experience the happiness, lightness, the gratitude feeling, and the light feeling. Whatever you experience, just be in that state. And slowly, slowly open your eyes. Slowly, slowly open your eyes and come on the camera. Yes, how was the experience?
Fantastic.
Excellent.
Yes, you are going to do with this. So this is the image. We only keep on saying, "No, mera paisa atak gaya, mera paisa atak gaya." So now you understood the laws of universe. No, it does not understand. Your wish is my command. Your wish is my command. So we have to change our mind and words. And then imagine that when you give a curse, no, he's not giving money, and you get irritated and frustrated. So when you pray for him that he's going to get it, it will come in time. It will come in time. And there are ways also to talk. So if you have any particular recover money, I will help you personally. Maybe it is a small amount, 2,000, but it's okay. Let it come. You can do it. 2,000 amount is not small for you. You do a charity with that, no? But it has to come. You do a charity. When you are expecting the money, you have to do 10% of the charity. So anybody would like to say, Akesh, something?
Yeah, absolutely. आपको पता है कि मेरे कुछ पैसे अटके थे करके आज 1-2 महीने पहले, ठीक है?
Yes, yes.
I was sharing with the ma'am कि actually मेरे पैसे अटके हैं और वो बंदा दे ही नहीं रहा है. Okay. So what she has said me, probably she was knew this before me, and she said, Akesh, rather than saying something like that कि मेरे पैसे अटके हैं और उसकी इंटीग्रिटी है, देगा नहीं देगा, why unnecessarily giving the doubts to the doubts of benefit to the universe? Okay, rather than change your word कि तेरा पैसा आएगा करके, and just making the complicated sentence, because before that I was focusing more on कि मेरा पैसा अटक जाएगा, मेरा पैसा आएगा कि नहीं. So actually it was in the doubtful situations. Rather than thinking about the doubtful situation, Nicola ma'am told me कि Akesh, just make it in the simple sentences and say कि पैसा आएगा. और पैसा आ गया. So and of course 10,000 is not a small amount.
Full आ गया. Part आ गया क्या?
Full नहीं आया लेकिन आया partially.
हाँ, नहीं.
हाँ, part आ गया. And
let it come partially. When you are expecting that money, you have to give a space to the other person that, yeah, I really understand.
Correct.
That your intention is there. And current times is very difficult, I can understand, but you are a very good person and your intentions are good. I also pray that you are getting money and you pay in installments, because it is very, when somebody wants to give money, so it is very difficult to say that I cannot give the full money. So give them options. Okay, if you are expecting 10,000, why can't you give 2,000 right now? Why can't you give 5,000 right now? 50% pe aa jao. Then you say, I can give it. Okay, give 2,000 right now. Make a commitment. He's giving some part of the money. Never expect that full money because he's having a problem. That's why he's not able to give. So see that you take an installment, but make him feel that your intention is there of giving. And whenever it comes to you, you 10%, you just do a charity.
Ma'am, what is the... Go on, sorry, finish.
Yeah, as you are aware, ma'am, actually मुझे जो ना बचपन से confrontation का बड़े challenge रहे हैं. Whenever the confrontation comes, मैं थोड़ा डर जाता हूँ या heart beat बढ़ जाती है. It is all It's all because happens in the past in my childhood days. Okay. So जब भी ऐसी कोई सिचुएशन आती है ना, so rather than talking, मैं अपने हार्ट बीट्स खुद बढ़ा लेता था. But now it is settling down, and especially today's talk. तो क्योंकि मैं पहले ही इमेजिन कर लेता था कि मेरा उसके साथ में झगड़ा होने वाला है.
हाँ.
ठीक है, या पहले बोलता था कि वो पैसा नहीं देगा और फिर I will lose my mind, something like that. So rather than thinking about all this negativity कि ये होगा, और वैसा ही होता था 95% of the time. So just by getting the flow of the words, by changing the words, बड़ा सुकून मिलता है इस चीजों में. जैसे आपने कहा कि I do understand कि फिलहाल challenges होंगे, but why don't you think to give the half of it right away?
Yes.
So
मैम अगर पर्सन की इंटेंशन नहीं है पैसे वापस
मीन्स वो बातों से
लौटाने की, तो वो इंटेंशन चेंज हो सकता है.
हाँ हो सकता है विद प्रेयर्स हो सकता है.
ओके.
और ये बात भी है ना मैम कि डाइजेस्ट करने के लिए हमने तो कभी नहीं सोचा था
It will take little time. If you say कि he's a fraud person, especially it happens with the builders and all that, na? They are all fraud. But still you can recover your money.
नहीं, ये तो फ्रेंड था 8 साल पहले जिसने, आई मीन आई हैड पेड फॉर हिज टिकट एंड हिज लैपटॉप, सब कुछ. उसको जाना था रोमानिया अपने गर्लफ्रेंड के पास. So he's doing very well now, but he just turned saying कि I don't owe you any money. So that thing, it started, my loan debt started उस 8 years back, and उस loan को पूरे करने में I've taken so many other loans that I'm in this horrible financial mess now.
Okay.
So
I'll talk to you personally regarding that. I will listen to your whole story, like how your conversation started, then how did you commit, why did you commit, and does he know about he has taken loan? Then accordingly, I will give you the negotiation.
Okay. And one more question, ये जो ट्रैफिक लाइट्स पे बेगर्स होते हैं, उनको पैसा देना चाहिए या कितना
नहीं, पैसा नहीं देना चाहिए. पैसा नहीं, कभी नहीं देना चाहिए. You can give a food.
मैं देती थी, but then I realized कि पूरा
never give money. Never give money.
But they ask only for money. Food तो लेते नहीं है लोग.
हाँ, तो उसको बोलना मैं I never give money. If you want food, I will give you food.
और उनको काम भी नहीं करना होता है. I've like offered work also for people, but उनको work नहीं करना है.
It's okay, but
then I stopped giving them money.
Always offer in the terms of food or clothes, not in money.
हाँ, but वो charity, I mean, if I'm not giving them money, it won't be thing, no, held against me ki whatever.
No, nothing.
No. Okay. Thank you.
Okay. So we'll meet tomorrow once more for meditation tomorrow. Affirmations and meditation. No homework repetition. And complete your homeworks in next 3 days.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes. Thank you.
Bye.